guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the February Boxycharm unboxing. So I got my Boxycharm this month. So let's see what are the items that came on our box. And again, this is a makeup subscription. It is $21 a month and you get 5 full-size items. So it's well worth the money. This is how you can branch out on the normal brands that you're used to. I have found great products through this subscription of makeup brands that I've never even heard, or I have also tried makeup of brands that I've been wanting to try and they just came in this box. So again, $21 a month and you get one box with 5 full-size items. This is how they look. And it comes with a little card, Afterglow, and on the back it gives you the items that you received and the price of each item, the retail price. So the first thing I see here is Nude Stick in the color Copper Foil. It's a eye cream, like an eye crayon. This is from the brand, is Nude Stick the brand? Let me see. Yeah, the brand is Nude Stick. It's a magnetic luminous eye color. This retails for $24. So you already got your money's worth. So I've never tried this brand, so I'm excited to. It's just like, it kind of looks like the NYX jumbo pencils. Oh, that's pretty. This one in the summer, all over the lid with like a gold color over it, because I don't know if this creases. I've never tried it, but just set it with a gold eyeshadow. It would look really pretty. The only thing I don't like about these, they don't retract, so you have to keep sharpening them. The next item we got is this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I've been wanting to try this mascara forever and I just haven't gotten my hands on it because I do love the Essence mascara. But I'm excited it came on this box because now I get to try it because everyone raves about it. So this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and it retails for $24. So that's how it looks. I am super excited to try this one. Just in time because I needed a new one. The next item I see here is this No Problem Primer by the brand Touch and Soul. I've never tried this brand, so I'm excited to try it. It's just a face primer. This retails for $18 and it's a full size. So I'm excited to try this because I do have a lot of pores, so I'll be trying this. Let me know if you want to see a video through the month or at the end of the month trying out these items and see what I like and what I didn't like. We got this lotion from Sol de Janeiro and it's a Coco Cabana cream. This retails for $20. So I'll be trying this out. It's a nice size to carry on your purse. So we got that one. And the last thing I got was this Pretty Vulgar bronzer. It's called Bronze Mannequin. I'm excited because I love bronzers. It looks matte. So that's how it looks. So I'm excited. I will be trying this one. And this one retails for $32. So as you can see, this box is really good. We got a lot of good items that I'll be trying out. Again, let me know if you want to see a video updating you on what I liked and what I didn't like. And I'll see you next month for next month's Boxycharm. Thank you.